Thank you so much for your love and support. I really appreciate it and hope this journey continue with the same energy. This is a short intro brief about the channel. What you will find here, especially if you are preparing for a CK exam in 2025. Most of the main content is already available with clear example. And even you can find everything organized in the playlist. I will organize more. I'll keep adding more useful content for CK, CKAD, CKS, and many more topics. I genuinely enjoy learning new things, reading up, and upgrading my skill. Yes, I'm a CK certified. Many of my colleagues and friends suggested that I share my knowledge so that how this channel came about. I received a lot of love from you all, so thank you so much for that. I'm looking forward to stay connected and learning together for a long time. You can find updates and I do post on this YouTube post also. Here are some which is benefited and thanks they have given little credit to me also or my channel also for their journey. And you can find we a new YouTube post, buy me coffee, blogger, and yes, Telegram channel is also there. And if you find any issues or you want to learn something some concept which so you can reach us at neocloud.cloud@gmail.com. And once again, thank you so much for your love and support.